everyone, welcome on frogtechtips. Today I have new graphic cards just come on this box coming from my fan. He would like to check it, this card, and if possible get a repair as well. He said his car have a fault error 43, yeah, I think, and we're gonna check it and to see if I can repair on some way. This error is usually problem with the CUDA core or maybe the core, main core for the graphic cards, and usually if you reflow the card should be helped. We'll see, check the quality of the card, if it's not any physical damage first, and if everything alright, we'll try repair. Okay, package nice, put it back, knife, and if I'm correct, it's GTX, yeah, it is GTX 760, if I'm correct. Okay, so let's go first the physical check and any components missing and stuff like that. Yeah, cards looks alright. I will try put it on my test rig and see if the card is really have this problem or whatever is happened. I'll see. Okay, this is my test rigs. I will be tested GPU. My power supplies, you know, from the videos before, and test board is absolutely different. Now it's AMD with 2 gigs RAM DDR3, and it's just only for check it if its card is working and stuff like that, because you know my rig which I use normally, nobody want to check the broken graphic cards on the personal rig. That's why you need something for test. We can unplug in the cards. These cards have also the twice 6-pin PCI Express power, which you mean you definitely need it connected as well. One, two. Okay. Now I'm gonna switch it on this PC. But I need this VGA adapter, DisplayPort VGA, to get a work in this car, and car is working, and we'll see if there is that really error what the guy said. Just wait for the switch on. Okay, we can see the resolution is changed. Okay, it's the standard VGA adapter over here, and we'll try to install the driver. This will take a while. I'll skip it for you. Okay, I need to install some probably new Windows or whatever. Okay. On the end, I need to reinstall the Windows. That means I put the Windows 10 on it to get a test this card. Fan working, card working, everything looks alright. Just need to wait. This is not exactly best faster PC on the world. Remember, this is my test rig to test the graphic cards to find out if it's working and if it's safe to use to any other PC, because if it's this PC will be gone and killed, I will be don't care actually. Yeah. Okay, so far picture looks nice and clean. Okay, open the device manager. Okay, as you can see, this card is have really code 43 error, and I will be now repair. And when I check the BIOS, look at what I find it. As you can see, the GPU also have the artifact. You can see that here. Yeah, and there is some lines, dots. It is not usual, but it's definitely artifact. But you can see the artifact. It's really here, and definitely need some reflow this GPU. Okay, now we're gonna open the card first to find any physical damage, but hopefully there is no. Card show the code 43 error, as we see, and also show some artifacts that usually, like I said, is a problem with the CUDA core. We'll try reflow that. One more screw. Oh, it's a screw on the side as well. Here we go. Unplug the fan. Now take off the cooler. Always use the cross button slowly. Okay, there is too many thermal paste. I will clean this first before I try to do anything else. Card is nice and clean, and I don't see any damage. That means I'll definitely try to reflow the card to see if that helps, but I think it will help. Okay, let's go do it. We need a flux first. The flux we need to use is around all edges. Why you need to use the flux? The flux you need to use to be sure if you hit the core, the flux help to stop make a short underneath. We'll be heat this card to 300 Celsius. You still use, my recommendation is 290 to 320 maximum, around 10 minutes, or till the flux is gone. It means all flux will be gone, going under the chip, and will help to reflow the ball. I know, it's not a perfect way to fix the card, but if the card is out of warranty and you don't have any choice, it's still cheap options to try fix card like this, as you know, it's just keep the car alive a little bit longer, maybe give you time to save money for the new card. hopefully will work. Some cards working like 1 week, some cards can working after that like 2 years. It depends the car, depends the experience. I got a lot of experience, that means I see so many cars working forever. Okay, I've got my special heat gun. I will be switching on 300. Let's go do it. Okay, now past the 7 minutes and you can see the flux is gone. It's actually disappeared. It's going under the chip. And yeah, now I will be do my trick like 10 seconds on single point. I start on the one corner and just move it slowly and count to the 10. It's very close hit. It means like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and move it slowly. And again, I'm doing all trick. Nearly on the end. You can see the flux going out when you hit so close. That means you can definitely know it's been inside. And now on the middle. You can even use the 30 second on the middle. Just be sure you don't move your car because it's so hot. You can move any components now immediately. Just don't move your car. Okay, and now I will be another like 5 minutes hitting the car, and that's it. Now past about 10 minutes, I hit the car still. It's the 300 Celsius, and you can see there's no flux at all. Even if you go and hit like closely, so anywhere, see, there is no flux going out. That means all flux disappear. That means I'm done, and I will be go and slowly going up and from bigger and bigger distance, hit it up to don't make a shock for the car, and just slowly hit it up like all car. And yeah, that's like this only. Hopefully it's alright. We're gonna switch off my heat gun. First you can see still I use the 300 Celsius, but now I will be cool down a little bit my heat gun to keep safe. Okay, and one, sorry. It will be going down the temperature, and get up the car. This I do just for keeping safe my heat gun. Don't get the shock when switching off straight away. The heat gun I use is a proper the twin gun, ESD safe heat gun. Really expensive, but it's really good. Okay, it's all done. You can see there is no visible damage, but car is now so hot. It's so hot. You can grill on it if you want. Okay, that means just now wait like 15 to 20 minutes to keep car cool down. After that, just hit the cooler, other stuff, and test the car. Hopefully will be alright. Between that, you can clean the another stuff you need from the car, because this is actually a little bit dusty. I'll be clean that and keep everything ready once this car cool down. Okay, car is cooled down, and now we'll use the thermal paste. I've got a good, and I'm happy with this
Edge White 880 thermal grace biased. It's really good. I have a good experience with this one. It's really nice one. It really doesn't matter how you put the thermal paste in, because you will be actually anyway split it out and put the cooler down. It means just one dot on the middle, and I usually just shred it. Okay, don't put too much. If you're putting too much, and after that when you put the color down, that will be spread everywhere and middle will be stay clear. That means just slowly put the color on the top. And that's it. Close the card. Yeah, you can see how perfect this is. Okay, that means the color is going this way. Yeah. Don't forget to use the cross button when you screw down. And do not use too much pressure, just really slowly, one by one. Once you feel little pressure, stop it. See, pressure is here, and just stop it. That's enough. Trust me, it's enough. You must feel that in your hand. We got a color. Now the fan. And last one. Cover. Okay, all done, and all screw is back. Part is nice and clean. Now we're gonna test it to see if the repair help. Okay, card is now inside the PC, everything is plugged in, and we'll see if the card is still working. Hopefully everything will be alright. Okay, PC switch on, and have you got a signal? Here we go, we got a signal, and this is my CMOS battery. I need to set up the date again. Once we are on the BIOS, we don't see any artifacts here, which is a good sign the graphic well works. Okay, let's go have a look. Windows loading. Fan working, card working, everything was alright. Just need to wait. This is not exactly best faster PC on the world. Remember, this is my test rig to test the graphic cards to find out if it's working and if it's safe to use to any other PC, because if it's this PC will be gone and killed, I will be don't care actually. Yeah. Okay, so far picture looks nice and clean. Okay, open the device manager. Okay, still code 43. I will try to install the driver. Okay, as you see, I restarted driver, and now the resolution actually is switch. That looks like the graphic cards will works. Hopefully I'm right. Still is graphical install. That means I can confirm that, but I'll try have a look on that. I open the manager, but you can still see we reinstalled the driver after that repair, and resolution is changed. Now we need to open this device manager. We need to open this. Come on, open this. It's how slow. It's so slow. Yeah. I know you're still installing the graphic drivers, but please open the device manager. Okay, looks alright. Opening, hopefully, I wanna see the results. Even still installing the driver, I think that already we can see the result. This PC is just thinking and whatever has happened, he just thinking. He don't know to do like two stuff together. Installing driver and opening device manager is so simple. It's just opened, please open. No. Okay, never mind. We'll wait. We will wait. Open now. Open now. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Why is open twice? I don't know what's this, but it's probably some my problem. But display adapters, look at that. Look at that. There is no anymore code 43. And this is only way how to fix the device is working properly. Okay, as you can see, the card is working. It's got a nice temperature, 36, and this will be first quick stress test for this GPU after the repair, and reinstall the driver as well as we needed to before the car working properly, and go. Okay, card, you can see it's working, the 720p. We'll test at Full HD as well in the second, but on this 720p you can see we got a 65 frames per second. Well, that's fine. And we wanna see the Full HD one. This. Okay, here we go. Warming up. Everything is looks nice. There is no artifact. Everything is working. Temperature for this type of card is okay. We'll test it for a little longer time, but so far everything looks alright, looks nice, good, and you can see it's code 43 is not there anymore, and card is working properly. 85 Celsius, maybe we can check it that with longer test, but I know this card is not really perfect with the temperature, but yeah, we can see that. Okay, all good, all working. Okay, now you can see the car still working. on the absolutely big stress test is full HD one with 8 times anti-aliasing, which is really hard for this card. Working 30 minutes with no problem at all. Even the temperature of this GPU is 80 Celsius, maximum in 82, which is brilliant for stress test like this one. And yeah, you can see the card core is working for 100% for 30 minutes, which absolutely brilliant. Okay, that's it. Card is fixed. I think will be alright, and hopefully will be working long as possible. You know, this repair is not still perfect, but always is better that put the car on the bin. Absolutely brilliant repair. Don't forget to click like, subscribe as well.
Okay, repair is done. The code 43 is not there anymore. Car is fixed, and I tested car with full mark as well for the absolutely big stress on full HD. Working brilliant with no problem at all. 80 Celsius, brilliant. Car is done. Click like for this repair. Also, don't forget to subscribe, and car will be sent back to my fan. Thanks for sending me this car, and hopefully your car will be working long as possible. See you later on my another video.